Hi there. In this video, we'll show you how to install and set up Mumble voice chat on your own server from HOSTKEY. Whether you're a gamer, streamer, working in a remote team, or just want a secure and stable voice connection, this guide is for you. We'll walk you through the full setup process, from ordering your server to connecting and managing users in the app. Let's start by ordering a server. Go to the HOSTKEY website and open the Marketplace section. Choose VPS and find Mumble in the list of apps and click on it. Now configure your server, location, Netherlands, plan, VPS 1, perfect for testing or small teams. Rental period, 1 month, click Next and sign into your account or create a new one. Confirm your order and proceed to payment. You can use your current account balance, bank card, PayPal, or a number of other available options. Once paid, the server automatically starts installation. This usually takes no more than 15 minutes. Once the server is ready, go to the Envapi control panel. Find your server and click Connect via SSH. A built-in terminal will open. Confirm the connection and enter the password from your email. After entering the password, you'll have access to the system. To manage your Mumble server, you'll need admin access. In the terminal, enter the command shown in the panel. The system will give you the SuperUser login and password. That's the main admin account. Save this info. You'll need it later to connect to the server as admin. Now, let's download the Mumble client. Go to mumble.info, choose the version for your OS, download and install it. After installation, you can change the interface language. Open Settings, find the Language section, pick your preferred language, restart the app to apply changes. Launch Mumble. Click Connect, add new, fill in the fields. Label, put in anything you want, like my server. Address, your server's IP. Port, 64,738. Username, your name or nickname. Click OK, select your server and connect. Enter the SuperUser password and you're in. To check the server status, click the server icon and select Server Information. You'll see uptime, version, the number of connected users, and other details. To make communication easier, you can create voice channels. Right-click in the server window and select Create Channel. Set a name, adjust its access permissions, for example, to make a private room. You can move channels, group them, and create subcategories like on Reddit. Right-click on any user to open control options. Assign roles, admin, operator, move to another channel, mute, kick or ban, grant or remove permissions. This gives you full control over how people communicate on your server. Why Mumble plus HOSTKEY? Mumble offers low latency voice chat, secure and encrypted communication, simple user management, no ads, logs or surveillance, full control over your own server. Try Mumble now. A fully configured voice server is just a few clicks away. Follow the link in the description, get your server, and start chatting with no limits today.